Hello there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint template in just 2 minutes. So let's start. The first thing you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. So let's start. The first thing you have to do is clean up your template, go to shapes and set around a corner rectangle. Then what you have to do is remove its outline and change this fill, duplicate it, and we're gonna change this fill to white, change the background fill to black, and put it on top of the red one, and then send it to the back. Then we're gonna give it the shadow of the 5th number and add a text box in which we're gonna type our main text in like very big alphabets. Here we go. Then we're gonna duplicate these templates and the squares, and one by one we're gonna decrease the gap in between them. Then what you have to do is change the colors of those rectangles one by one. First red, yellow, green, and blue. So yeah, here we go. Then we're gonna change the text and the text font because this W is too wide. So I'm gonna go with some another font. Then we're gonna duplicate the slide, and we're gonna before duplicating, we're just gonna give them some reflection. This between one, let's decrease the distance and increase the blur. Duplicate your slide, move this S rectangle below, only the red and the text, move the white rectangle above. Then you're gonna type your text in it. And the next thing you have to do is also put your title, whatever title you are using, in as well. Here we go. Now you're gonna change the fill. After changing the fill, we're gonna just duplicate the slide, do the same with the second template, and this time we're gonna move the third and second rectangles, and similarly we're gonna duplicate the slides. Now we're gonna select all of them, give them off transition, and yeah, this is the final result. If you want this template, please comment down. I will send you the link for this free template in the description below.